my name is Jamie.
Hi, my name is Carly.
And we have some great multiplication tips for you.
Tip number 1. I'm going to tell a trick for the 11s. When you multiply 11, the product is the other factor twice. For example, 11 times 2 equals 22. So it's just like multiplying by 1 twice.
Wow, I bet that'll help a lot of people out. Tip number 2. A trick for the 9s is all the digits in the products equal 9. For example, 9 times 9 equals 81, and 8 plus 1 equals 9.
Wow, does that work with all the 9s?
Yes.
That's terrific. Here's another tip for the 9s. As you can see, in all of the 2-digit products, the tens place goes up and the ones place goes down.
Yeah, 9 times 2 equals 18, and 9 times 3 equals 27. So the ones place went down and the tens place went up.
And 9 times 6 equals 54, and 9 times 7 equals 63. And you can see that the tens place goes up and the ones place goes down.
Isn't that awesome? There's also a trick for the 5s. The trick is all the products end in 0 or 5. For example, 5 times 2 equals 10. Another example is 5 times 3 equals 15. The 0 and 5 always appear in the ones place.
Wow, that's a terrific tip.
We hope you enjoyed our video and learned some fantastic new tricks.